Also new tonight, a new study makes a direct connection between binge drinking and sexual assaults at college. Nearly 18% of men surveyed admitted to sexually assaulting a woman after a heavy night of drinking. Nearly 18%. So, what can we do to protect ourselves? 7 Eyewitness News reporter Josh Bazan takes a closer look at a local movement.
Yeah, it is startling to know how much sexual aggression does exist.
Sherry Darrow is the Director of Health Promotion at the University at Buffalo. Her office handles alcohol harm reduction and sexual violence prevention on campus, two topics that Darrow says are often closely connected.
The context in which somebody is drinking, as well as whether or not there are multiple issues going on.
But she says it's a complex issue. The university's Research Institute on Addictions published a report that sheds some new light on drinking and sexual violence. The study found the location of the drinking might be key.
And we do know that our students, when they do overdo it, that it's most often at parties.
House parties like this one in August broken up by police near UB's South Campus. According to the study, men who binge drink at parties or bars are more likely to commit sexual assault. That includes things like forced sex, attempted sex, and unwanted contact. 17.6%, more than 1 in 6 of men in colleges across the Northeast admitted to committing sexual assault. The study suggests making these locations safer could help prevent or at least decrease sexual violence. The authors say encouraging bystanders to step in is one way that could be helpful. That's something UB is already educating students about in a mandatory program before they ever get to campus.
How to, refuse a drink when you don't want it, or how to step in when something is going wrong.
Many of the men in this research were actually under 21, so the authors of the study say it's important to make sure bars are checking IDs and making sure nobody gets in underage. Josh Bazan, 7 Eyewitness News.